The Mac is back. The 2018 version of the Ford Super Duty Mac Truck Edition. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your off-road truck dealership here in the Midwest. I'm bringing you another package, another version of the Mac Truck. First year we had this introduced was in 2016, as well as last year in 2017. We had record number of sales of this package put on our nice dually Super Duties. I think you're really going to like this package. We've changed a few things, we've upgraded it, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now the Mac Truck package can be put on any of our Super Duty dually trucks. We prefer the Lariat, Platinum, or the King Ranch trucks, but it can be put on an XLT as well if you'd like to. So we're just going to cover the Mac Truck package equipment and features on it. So what's great about this one is in 2017 we put a 4-inch level kit, and it really just made that truck really high, because in 2017 Ford did beef up their truck a little bit. It stood a little taller, so putting that lift kit on there just made it really high up. So this year what we've done is put a 2.5-inch level kit on it, and with these wheels and tires it gives it a really nice height. And we also added the track bar extenders under there too, so real nice, tough, aggressive. It's going to be handle any off-roading you're going to want to do. Another way we can go ahead and make the side look like a really good off-road truck is by putting a really nice wheel and tire combination together. So we have a 22-inch wheel that we're going to put on all the trucks. This one happens to be those black alloy wheels. They're a Fuel brand here, so real sharp wheel, and not only the front wheels are going to get those, but also the outside as well as the inside wheel are going to be alloy wheel too. So real nice looking wheel on all 6 of those with 37-inch tires. All-terrain tires are going to go along with it. These happen to be a mud terrain tire, Toyo brand. So you're going to have a nice off-road tire to go along with it. It's going to fill it up. It's going to lift the truck up a little bit with the 22s and the 37 to make it a really nice aggressive look here on the side. And we also added these brake calipers as well. They're a Ford brand red brake calipers on the front wheels that make it look really sharp. A couple things we like to add as part of this package here in the back, and one of them is a spray and liner. We are a certified Rhino Liner dealer, so we go ahead and add the spray and liner as part of this package to go ahead and protect the bed of your truck. Also, we'll go ahead and install the 5-inch exhaust here. So great look here. It is an MBRP brand on this one here. So real nice exhaust. It's going to make it a real good sound, especially on this diesel engine. So to finish off this package, you're going to get all-weather floor mats on the inside. So they are a Ford brand that we get from our accessories department there. Also, you're going to get the front window tint up here. So we do window tinting here at McArthur. We do have a really great window tinter there, so they're going to put front window tint on this too. And you're going to get XPEL paint protection, and that's like clear bra on it. So it's going to protect they put on the mirror caps up here, also the front fenders, your headlights, and the bumpers. And that's going to protect it from those rock chips and such like that. So we like to add that as an included feature and product with this. And then also you'll notice that this one does have power deployable boards. So all your Lariats, Platinum, and King Ranches are going to have those power boards. In fact, this is an optional equipment on this Lariat, but we made sure it was included with this truck. But if you decide to go with an XL or XLT with this package on it, you're probably going to want those power boards put on there, so it might be a little bit extra cost for you to have those put on. And don't forget, after you put the level kit, the wheels and tires on there, we're going to go ahead and do a alignment for you, as well as we'll recalibrate that speedometer, so that way you're good to go there. And then to finish everything off, it's this year's edition of our graphics here on the side. Instead of being on the bed, we moved it to the side of the truck, and we love this this decal and the graphics over here. It's a matte black finish with the gray accent that goes along with it, so it just looks real sharp. And we're going to do a custom graphics for each truck. So if your truck is maybe a silver truck, we're going to have some graphics that are going to blend real nicely with whatever color you have. With the black, we like the black with the gray outline, just looks real sharp here on the side of it. So that's our package. The total on this package is $19,595, so $19,595 for this package, and that's a lot of features because all these things add up into a lot of money there for you, and it's a great package to put on your dually truck. And again, there aren't too many dealerships out there doing this package and putting this on their truck, so I think you're really going to like it. Again, 2017 we had record numbers of packages that we sold like this, and we expect the same to be for 2018, so I think you really like it. Now if you want a package like this, go to our website, McArthur.com. There you can click on the big bad truck section on off-road trucks, and you can go ahead and see this Mac Truck package. It has all the equipment that we put on the 2018 model. This video will be on there as well if you want to re-watch that video, as well as you can go to our off-road inventory and see what we have in stock at this time. And if we don't have a current Mack truck package in stock right now, we can put this again on any of our trucks. It's usually about a 2 to 4 week turnaround to get that accomplished, and that way you can get your Mack truck. And we have a lot of people custom order certain colors that they want on their trucks and different equipment on the truck as well. So that is something we can do real nice and easy on any of our in-stock units as well as on order units. Or if you want to order one, it's going to be about 6 to 8 weeks to get the vehicle ordered, and then another couple of weeks to get this package put on it. So definitely, if you are interested in that, give us a call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031. And again, don't forget, if you are watching this on our YouTube channel, when you give us a call, remind us that you watch this video on our YouTube channel, and you'll get free shipping to be able to ship this truck to you as long as you finance the truck through one of our lenders. So I think you'll find that real nice and easy, save some costs there, and be able to get that right to your door, making it nice and smooth and easy for you as well. So I think you really like it. Again, thanks for watching this. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down there, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified the next time we have another video uploaded like this one out there. And also put any comments. What do you think about this package? Let me know down in the comments down below, and don't forget to smash that like button, because we know you all like this truck and this package. So go ahead and do that and let other people know this is a great video that they need to see as well.